In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit a Webex recording. Whether you're looking to polish up a meeting for presentation or simply want to cut out unnecessary parts, this tutorial will help you navigate the process with ease. First, let's start by heading over to the Webex website. Open your preferred web browser and type in webex.com. Once the page loads, look towards the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Here, you need to click on the option labeled Meetings. This will bring you to a page where you can manage your scheduled meetings. Next, you'll want to find the specific meeting you wish to edit. Go ahead and click on Start next to the meeting in question. Once you've done that, you'll need to click Start Meeting to actually begin the session. This step is crucial because it ensures that the meeting is active and ready for recording. With the meeting in progress, direct your attention to the top of your browser. You should see an extension section, and within it, there's an option labeled Meeting Recording. Click on this to initiate the recording of your session. After that, make sure to click on Audio and Video. Here, you can configure the recording settings to ensure both audio and video are captured correctly. Once your meeting has concluded or you've captured the necessary content, it's time to stop the recording. Simply click Stop, and Webex will automatically download the recording to your computer. You'll find the file in your default downloads folder ready for the next step. Now that you have your recording, it's time to edit. Open up your preferred video editing application. For this tutorial, we'll use web.descript.com, a user-friendly online video editing platform. Head over to the website and log in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the New Project button at the top right of the interface. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Video Project. This will create a new workspace for your recording. The next step is to upload your Webex recording. Simply drag the file from your Downloads folder into the Upload area or click to browse and select the file. Once uploaded, Descript will process the video and prepare it for editing. Now, you're all set to start editing your recording. With Descript's intuitive tools, you can trim unwanted sections, enhance audio quality, add text overlays, and much more. Take your time to explore the features and adjust your video to meet your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to edit a Webex recording. By following these steps, you can make your recorded meetings more engaging and professional. Thanks for watching and happy editing.